In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import data from Dashlane to Lastpass. If you're ready to transition from one password manager to another, you're in the right place. The process is straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure a smooth transfer of your valuable data. To begin, we need to access Dashlane through your web browser. Open your preferred browser and type Dashlane into the search bar. When the search results appear, click on the first link, or make sure to choose the result with the URL dashlane.com. Once you're on the home page, look for the Login button and click it to access your account. After logging in, direct your attention to the navigation panel and find My Account. Click on it, then proceed to select Settings. Now that you're in the Settings panel, the next task is to export your data. You'll see an option to export data, and from there, choose Export to CSV. This option allows you to download your stored passwords in a format that can be imported into Lastpass. At this point, you'll be prompted to enter your master password as a security measure. Type it in carefully, and then wait for the CSV file to download to your device. We've now successfully exported your data from Dashlane. The next step is to navigate to the Lastpass website. You can do this by entering the URL lastpass.com in your browser's address bar, or by accessing Lastpass via a browser extension if you have it installed. Once on the Lastpass homepage, log into your account using your Lastpass email and master password. With access secured to your Lastpass account, direct your attention to the section labeled Passwords. Select it, and then search for the Import Passwords option. You'll see a list of supported password managers. Simply choose Dashlane from this list. Now, you're ready to import the CSV file. On the subsequent page, you have the options to drag and drop the CSV file from your computer or to browse your computer files and select it manually. Choose whichever method is more convenient for you. After uploading the file, click on Review and Import. This step lets Lastpass display a list of the items extracted from your CSV file, ensuring everything is in order before finalizing the import. Once you're satisfied with what you see, go ahead and complete the import process. Finally, for added security, it is crucial to delete the unencrypted CSV file from your computer once you've confirmed that all your data has been successfully imported into Lastpass. Removing this file ensures that sensitive data doesn't remain vulnerable on your device. And there you have it. A complete guide to moving your data from Dashlane to Lastpass. By following these steps, you've ensured that your digital information remains secure and easily accessible. Thanks for watching, and feel free to reach out if you have any further questions.